Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today again we continue our chapter 5, that is decimal. Okay. So today we will learn addition of decimals. So how to add in decimal. The process is same, but first of all if we have unlike decimals, so we change them into the like decimals and then we arrange in the columns, means up and down, and then we have to add. For example, we have 6.28 plus 240.254 plus 3.8. Okay. So how we will add? First of all we will see these are like or unlike decimals. आपको सबसे पहले ये देखना है कि ये like है या unlike है. So you will see that there is 2 decimal place, there is 3 decimal place, and there is 1 decimal place. So these are the unlike decimals. So first of all we convert them into the like decimals. So how we will convert? We will see the highest decimal place. There is highest decimal place 3. So we should arrange these all in 3 decimal place. Okay. So how we will make like decimal? By adding 0. So in their given 10th and 100th column, so in 1000th column we will take 0. So we will arrange like this: 6.280. Now there is 3 decimal place plus 240.254. There is already 3 decimal place and there is also 1 decimal place. So we will make here 3 by placing here zeros. Okay. So now 3.800. Now in all we have 3 decimal place. So now we can add easily. Okay. First of all you should take care that point will be up and down. जो point होगा हमारा, whenever we do addition of decimal, first of all we make them like decimal, then we will see the point and we will arrange point up and down. Now there is 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. So 3 times decimal, firstly we arrange 1, 2, 3. Okay. That will be up and down. जो decimals है वो बिल्कुल आपके ऊपर नीचे होंगे, जो आपके numbers है वो आगे पीछे हो सकते हैं, but decimals जो है वो up and down रहेंगे. Now first number there is 6.280. So in whole we have 6. Okay, and after decimal we have 280. Now next 240.254. Before decimal we have whole 240. So in ones column there is 0, in tens 4, and in 100 2. Okay, then 254. So we write here 254. Then after that we have 3.800. So 3 is in ones place. So we write ones 3. Okay, in ones place 3, and after decimal we have 800. So 800. Like this you have to arrange. अब प्रॉब्लम आप कहाँ करते हो? आप ये नहीं देखते हो. अब यहाँ पे 3 digits है in whole and there is 1, there is 1. So you will arrange according to the columns. जो place value chart है, according to place value chart we have to arrange. After decimal we have make like decimals. So there is equal number of decimal place. But in whole we have different. In some we can have one digit number. In some we can have 2 digit number. In some we can have 3 digit number. So according to that you have to arrange. So this is the best way. Firstly you arrange decimal, up and down decimal, and then you arrange the numbers. Okay. Now we will do addition. Now here also we can make 0 if places are not there. So we can make here zeros. And if you are not making, then also it is correct. Okay. Now we do addition. Now 0 plus 4, that is 4. Now 8 plus 5, 13. We write here 3, 1 goes carry. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 8, 13. We write here 3, 1 goes carry. ओके, अब आपको सिंपल एडिशन के जैसे ही ऐड करना है, ये नहीं कि डेसिमल आ गया तो आपने 13 राइट कर दिया, दैट इज रॉन्ग. आपको जो 1 कैरी, इफ देयर इज कैरी, सो गिव कैरी टू द नेक्स्ट कॉलम. ओके, जो भी कैरी आपके पास आती है तो सिंपल एडिशन के जैसे आपको नेक्स्ट कॉलम को कैरी दे देनी. ओके, नाउ 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, 1 goes carry. 4 plus 1 5, and there is 2 plus 0 2. Now decimal, decimal, decimal. So in answer also here we will use decimal. Decimal जो है वो आपका up and down रहेगा बिल्कुल exactly in same line. Okay. So now it's become 250.334. That's your answer. So like this you will do addition of decimal. Okay. Now some properties of decimal addition. So we will see there. Properties of decimal addition. First property is there, the change in the order of addends does not affect the sum of decimals. जैसे simple addition में होता है कि अगर हम change कर देते हैं order, so change of order of addends does not affect the sum of the decimals. जो सम है डेसिमल का वो भी चेंज नहीं होगा, सेम लाइक द सिंपल नंबर. सिंपल नंबर में भी जब हम ऑर्डर चेंज करते हैं सो दैट इज नॉट अफेक्ट ऑन द आंसर, उसका कोई इफेक्ट आंसर पे नहीं होता. द सेम वन इन द डेसिमल आल्सो, इफ वी चेंज द ऑर्डर that will not affect on the answer. Okay, you can see that 2.65 plus 3.55, that's equals to 6.20. So if we change the order, now first number on the second and second on the first, second को हम first पे ले आए, first को second पे. Here 3.55 plus 2.65, then also your sum will remain same, that is 6.20. Means if we change the order of addends, sum will not change, that will remain same, there is no effect on the sum. Now it's second. The sum of a decimal number and 0, कोई भी डेसिमल नंबर है, 0 का जो सम है is the same decimal number. जो आपका डेसिमल नंबर है वही रहेगा. ये सिंपल नंबर में भी जो एडिशन की प्रॉपर्टी है वो सिंपल में, फ्रैक्शन में, डेसिमल में, सब में सेम रहती है. आपकी फ्रैक्शन में भी यही था कि अगर हम एडेंड्स को चेंज कर देते तो भी सम सेम रहता है. ऐसे ही आपके पास डेसिमल में है. If we change the order of addends, that will remain same. Any number plus 0 the number itself. So decimal number plus 0, that also decimal number. So here is the example, 15.6 plus 0, that's equals to 15.6. 0 plus 2.4, that's equals to 2.4. Means any number, any decimal, any fraction plus 0, that's it. नंबर itself. जो भी है डेसिमल नंबर है आपका तो डेसिमल नंबर, फ्रैक्शनल नंबर है तो फ्रैक्शनल नंबर, सिंपल नंबर है तो सिंपल नंबर. Whenever we add 0, the number itself. Okay. Now we will start our exercise. Now exercise 5.5. Question number 1. Add the following decimals. You have to add these decimals number. So A part is there. 9.04 plus 3.218. So first of all, as I told you that firstly we change that into the like decimals. So here is 2 decimal place and in second number we have 3 decimal place. So in both we should make 3 decimal place. So first of all we should make them into like decimal. So 9.04. So it's become 9.040. Now there is 3 decimal place. We put here 0 plus 3.218. Now we can do addition. Now we should put it up and down. Okay. So as I told you that is the best way. Firstly you put a decimal. You place decimals. There is 2 numbers. So 2 times decimal we will place here. 1 and 2. In 2 lines we put decimal. Okay. Now first number 9.040. Before decimal we have 9 and after decimal we have 040. Now in second number, before decimal we have 3. 3 is in ones place. One digit number is there only. So write here 3 and after decimal 218. So 218. If you put decimal firstly, so in arranging there will be no problem. जब आप numbers arrange करोगे, whole number को इधर arrange करेंगे and decimal part here. Okay. So now we will do addition. So we put here plus symbol. Now ones column we add. Sorry, this is not ones. From this side we will add. So which column is this? This is 10th, 100th and this is 1000th. Okay. From right hand side we will start our addition. So 0 plus 8, this is 8. 4 plus 1, this is 5. 0 plus 2, this is 2. Okay. Now there is point. Here we can use point. And in last you want to use, in the last you can use. Okay. Now 9 plus 3, 12. So there is no digit. So you can write 12 as it is. So it's become 12.358. And one thing more, take care कि जो आपका वन आंसर है, जो वन नंबर होता है, कोई भी नंबर है उसमें सिर्फ वन टाइम डेसिमल होता है. ये नहीं कि टू टाइम. Some student what they do, here also decimal, here also decimal, here also. No, only one time decimals come in one number. Okay, वन नंबर में सिर्फ वन टाइम डेसिमल ही आता है. ये नहीं कि आप जगह जगह पे आप डेसिमल्स लगा रहे हो. No. Okay, so your answer is 12.258. Now it's a C part. B part is same like A part. So I take here C part because this is differ from this one. So C I take. You will do B and D yourself. Okay, D is same like C part. So B and D you will do yourself. C, A and C I have taken here. So now C part. Here is 65.5 plus 4.35 plus 13.824. There is one decimal place, there is 2, there is 3. So as I told you that firstly we will make same decimal place. We will change them into like decimal. So first of all there is 65.500. 3 decimal place we should make in note. Then plus 4.350. Then plus 13.824. Now we should put up and down. So there is 3 number 1, 2, 3. So 3 times decimal we will take here 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now first number 65.500. So before decimal we have ones column 5, tens column 6. And there is 500. Now second number we have only ones column, that is 4. There is no tens column. Then 0.350. And in third number we have 13. There is ones and tens column. In ones column 3. In tens column 1. 13.824. Okay. अगर आप डेसिमल की टेक केयर नहीं करेंगे तो आप क्या कर दोगे, इनको आगे पीछे कर दोगे. And that will be wrong. Okay. So take care about that. Now we will do addition. Now 4 plus 0, that is 4. Now 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 0, that is 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 goes carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 1 goes carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. There is nothing we can put here, 0. So now it's a 8. Okay. Now here is point. So down of point we will use. Here also in answer also we will use point. So it's become 83.674. That's your answer. Okay. So like this question 1 you will complete. It's B and D part you will do yourself. Now question number 2. This is also same like question number 1. Find the sum of the following decimals. Here also you will do addition. Okay. यहाँ पे भी decimals number दे रखे हैं, आपको इनका सम फाइंड करना है. सो ए पार्ट 7 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 3.5 सेंटीमीटर plus 1.2 centimeter. Now we will see that in second and third number we have one decimal place, but in first number there is no decimal place. So we should take one decimal place in this also. There is only whole number, so in decimal we can put a 0. So firstly we will change that and also in like a decimal. Okay, so it becomes 7.0 centimeter plus 3.5 centimeter plus 1.2 centimeter. Now in all we have one decimal place. So now we can put up and down and then we can do addition. So now 7 point, firstly there is 3 numbers, so as I told you that you will take decimal firstly. So 1, 2, 3. Now 7.0. Before decimal we have 7 and after decimal we have 0. That's centimeter. Now 3.5. Before decimal 3, after decimal 5 centimeter. Now third number 1.2. Before decimal 1 and after decimal 2. That's centimeter. Now we will do addition. So we will do addition. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. After that there is no digit, so we write here 11 as it is. Now point. So the down of point we will use here also point. So it's become 11.7 centimeter. That's your answer. Okay, that is your answer. Now it's a B part. There also you check that 2.8 meter, 0.457 meter and plus 5.65 meter. There is one decimal place, there is 3, there is 2. Different decimal place. So firstly we will make same decimal places. Okay. So here also we will make 3 decimal place. In last one also we will make a 3 decimal place. So there is 2.800 meter. Okay. Now there is 3 decimal place. In next one 0.457 meter. And in third we have 2 decimal place. So here also we will place 0. One time 0. So 5.650 meter. Okay. Now there is 3 decimal place. So now we can do addition easily. So firstly arrange up and down. So 3 numbers is there. So 1, 2, 3 decimals. Okay. Now 2 before decimal 2. After decimal we have 800. In second before decimal 0. After decimal we have 4, 5, 7. In third before decimal we have 5 and after decimal we have 6, 5, 0. All are in meter, so we use here meter, meter and meter. Now we do addition, so we use here plus symbol. Now we start from right hand side. 7 plus 0, that is 7. Okay, exactly up and down होना चाहिए आपका, थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर नहीं होना चाहिए. Now 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So we write here 0 and 1 goes carry. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 6, 19. So we write here 9 and 1 goes carry. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 0, 8. Okay. Now point, so down of point we will use here also point. And now there is meter. So your answer 8.907 meter. So you do like this. It's C part you will do yourself. A and B part I have done here. C part is also same like that. So you will do yourself. After that question number 3. In that also you have addition. Match the following is question number 3. So there is addition. So you will do addition in your rough notebook. And then you will match your answers. Answers are given there. So you will match with the correct answer in question number 3. So solution you will do in your rough notebook and then you will match with the correct answer. Okay. After that we will do question number 4. Now question number 4. Put the correct digit in the place of star in each of the following. At the place of star, you should use correct digit. Whatever correct digit will come there, that you have to fill. Okay. So here A part. There is given 3 point. There is blank. Means star is given in your book. Then 6, 2. And plus 4.24. Then blank is given here. And in answer you have here is blank. Then 0.411. Okay. So let me start. What will be add? There is given 2. 2 plus, then what we add? Then we can get here 1. So 1 is smaller than 2. So we will see there is come a big number by which, because in this line we can't, 2 comes after 1. So 1 to 9 now there will not come 1. So what number we have to add? That's become 1. So 2 plus 9, 11. In 11 we can write here 1 and then 1 goes carry. So we can use here 9. Okay. 9 plus 2, 11. So we write here 1 and 1 goes carry. Okay. Now 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. So 1 is there. 1 goes carry again. Now there is answer is 4. So 2 plus 1, 3. In 3 what we add? Then we can get here 4. So 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Then next 4, there is no carry. There is only 4. So we fill here 1. Now 3 plus 4, that is 7. So we fill here 7. Okay. So like this you have to fill. Now it's the B part. In B part also you have blank 0.296 plus 1.2 blank, 3 blank 8. Then in answer you have 2.65 and there is blank. So let me start again. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. We write here 4 and 1 goes carry. Now 9 plus 1, 10. In 10 what we add? Then we can get here 5. So 10 is greater than 5. So in next line, because in 1 to 9 we can't get now 5. So next line we will get. So 10 plus 5 is 15. So we can write here 5. So 10 plus 5, 15 and 1 goes carry. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. This is correct. Now come here. There is 1. In 1 what we add? Then we can get 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So there is also 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So this is your B part. Now we will do C part. In C part there is 12.89 blank. Then blank 0.748. Okay. So now and in answer we have 18.6 blank 9. So in 8 what we add? Then we can get 9. So 8 plus 1, 9. So we will use here 1. Okay. Now there is 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. We write here 3 and 1 goes carry. Okay. Now 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. That is correct. 1 goes carry. Okay. Now 2 plus 1, 3. In 3 what we add? Then we can get here 8. So 3 plus 5, 8. And there is 1. There is nothing. So we can put here 0 if you want to put, and if you don't want to put, so you leave it. 1 is as it is because there is nothing. So 1 plus 0, that is 1. Okay. Now it's a D part. There is 67.009. Okay. And plus 40.99 blank. And in answer 1, then 0, then blank 0.001. Okay, so let me start what we have to fill. So there is 9. 9 plus what? Then we can get here 1. So 9 is greater than 1. So in next line means up to 9 it will not come. So in next line it will come. So in 9 what we add? Then we can get 1. 9 plus 2, 11. And in 11 one's column will be 1. So we can add here 2. 9 plus 2, 11. We write here 1 and 1 goes carry. Now 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. It is correct. 1 goes carry. Now 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 9, 10. Again there is 0 and 1 goes carry. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 0, that is 8. Okay. Now 6 plus 4, that is 10. And 10 is already here because there is no digits. So 10 we will write as it is. Okay. So your D part is complete. So like that you have to complete your question number 4. Okay. Now question number 5. Solve the following. There is word problems are given to you. You have to solve the word problems. Okay. So A part is there. The weight of Subham was 28.99 kg. Okay. Subham का जो weight था वो 28.99 kg था. After 2 years, his weight increased by 10.85 kg. 2 year के बाद उसका जो weight है वो increase हो गया. कितना increase हो गया? 10.85 kg. So find the present weight of Subham. तो अब आपको शुभम का present weight बताना है कि अभी उसका कितना वेट हो गया. तो पहले जो था वो तो था ही उसका, और जो इंक्रीज हो गया, इंक्रीज मतलब बढ़ना, तो उसको हम क्या कर देंगे? प्लस. सो दैट विल बी द प्रेजेंट वेट ऑफ शुभम. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट अवर सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, द वेट ऑफ शुभम वाज हाउ मच? दैट इज 28.99 kg. Okay, that was the weight of Subham. Now his weight increased. उसका जो weight है वो increase हो गया. How much it increased? 10.85 kg. So we write here 10.85 kg. That increased. Okay. Now the present weight of Subham. So now we find its his present weight. कि उसका present weight अब कितना हो गया. So for that we will do addition. Okay. So now we will do addition here. 9 plus 5, that is there is already 2 decimal place, so there is no need to make them like decimals. यहाँ पे already आपको 2 decimal place दे रखे थे, तो हमने like बनाने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. Now 9 plus 5, that is 14. 1 goes carry. Now 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Again 1 goes carry. Now 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 0, that is 9. And 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now there is point, there is also point. So point, so there is also point. So it's become 39.84 kg. Okay. That is the weight of present weight of Subham. So we can write here. So the present weight of Subham is present है, so is 39.84 kg. That's your answer. That is the present weight of Subham. That is your answer. So like this you will do solution. Okay. Now after that it's B part. Now question number 5, B part. Here is Arun scored 82.65 marks in English and 50 in Hindi. And after that 95.60 in maths. So how many marks did he score in total? So you should tell that how many marks. उसने total कितने marks score किए. English, Hindi and maths marks are given here. So you should find their total. For total we will do addition. So first of all, Arun scored marks in English. Arun scored marks in English. How many marks he scored in English? 82.65. So we write here 82.65. Then in Hindi how much? 50. So 50 is a whole number. There is no decimal part. So in whole we will write here 50 and 0.00. In decimal we will use 00. Next after that he scored marks in maths. In maths how much? 95.60. So we write here 95.60. Okay. You can see that points are up and down. Point आपके आगे पीछे नहीं होनी चाहिए, point बिल्कुल up and down होने चाहिए आपके. Okay? एक ही लाइन में इसके भी जो whole number है you will arrange up and down, and fractional number also you will arrange up and down. Now marks he scored in total. Total marks how much he scored. So for that we will do addition. Now we will do addition. So now 5 plus 0 plus 0, that is 5. Now 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 goes carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. Okay. And now 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 9. 13 plus 9 is 22. Now there is no digit, so we write 22 as it is. Okay. 22 हम as it is write कर देंगे because there is no other digits. Now point. So down of point we will use here also point. So total marks are 228.25. So we write here. So he scored 228.25 marks in total. That's your answer. Okay. So your B part is complete. Now after that we will do part number C. Now C part. Roshan jogged 2.2 kilometer. Okay. रोशन जो है वो जॉगिंग करता है 2.2 किलोमीटर. माइक जॉग्ड 3.7 किलोमीटर, और जो माइक है वो 3.7 किलोमीटर जॉग करता है. एंड निहारिका जॉग्ड 4.1 किलोमीटर, और जो निहारिका है वो 4.1 किलोमीटर जॉग करती है. सो फाइंड द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय ऑल ऑफ देम. अब आपको डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है कवर्ड बाय ऑल ऑफ देम. उन सारों ने कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड. ओके. So let me start solution. Roshan jogged. सबसे पहले कौन jog कर रहा है? Roshan. How much? 2.2 kilometer. You can see that in these all we have one decimal place. So no need to make like decimals. Only you should write up and down, and then you will do addition. So Roshan jogged 2.2 kilometer. Then after that Mike jogged 3.7. So I write here Mike jogged 3.7 kilometer. Then after that Niharika jogged. How much Niharika jogged? 4.1 kilometer. Because there is only one decimal place, and in whole also one digit. So all are up and down. Now find the distance covered by all of them. So distance covered by all. For that we will do addition. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 goes carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Now point. So down of point we will use here also point. So it's become 10.0 kilometer. 10.0 kilometer means 10 kilometer. So that distance covered by all. So we can write here. So 10 kilometer distance covered by all of them. सारों ने मिलकर कितना कवर किया? 10 किलोमीटर. So 10 kilometer distance covered by all of them. That's your answer. Okay. So that is your answer. So like this, your question number 5 complete, and your exercise also complete. So today you will complete your exercise. Thank you.